Want to know what feet content is actually trending right now? Let's look inside our own community, Reddit, feet pics, buyer and sell, where creators are posting, experimenting, and absolutely crushing it. These 5 Reddit posts are blowing up with engagement, and we're gonna break down exactly why those work so that you can use the same ideas to grow your FeetFinder profile. Number 5, lower_complaint_4124. She's a blonde creator with over 10,000 followers. She posted a simple natural feet light photo and she had 137 upvotes and 28,000 views. Authentic beats perfect. Cozy settings and natural light outperform those high budget setups. And keep it real. Audiences connect with real honesty. Number 4, at HannahSkies2, she just brings that kind of lifestyle glow. 2 safe for work sets. 1 sun-soaked shot in a yellow bikini and another nighttime pool shot but in black swimwear. 375 upvotes and 56,000 views. Show range. Alternate between bright and chill looks. Small shifts in light or color palette keep the viewers scrolling. Number 3, Pale Goth Golly. She is the alternate aesthetic icon. Mirror video, confident vibe, 345 upvotes, and 100,000 views. Style is branding. Goth, glam, artsy, whatever your style is, just own it. Your uniqueness becomes your signature. Number 2, Foot Giving Trainee featuring Goddess D, with the bold caption of Goddess D's feet invade my throat. They hit 295 upvotes and 118,000 views. Lesson: great titles tell a story. Use creative phrasing that sparks curiosity or emotion. Captions are free marketing. And number 1, Feet Queen 2. Proof that calm content can go viral. A relaxing, safe for work foot massage earned 194 upvotes and over 160,000 views. Lesson: chill sells. Soft lighting, slow movements, and clean backgrounds create replay value. So here's the takeaway from Reddit feet pics buyer and sell. Be authentic, show variety, tell stories, and post with confidence. If you're a FeetFinder creator, use these as inspiration, or you can even create and post your own in our community on Reddit. And when you're ready to take it pro, head to FeetFinder.com, the safest place for verified creators to turn their content into income.